Welcome to Musaka TV. Trip muna tayo bago mag New Year. So biyaya kaming San Miguel, Bulacan. So tara, let's go. Masdan natin ang mga nature papuntang San Miguel. At saka yung mga bagong diversion road nila na okay na daw. So, let's watch it. Let's go! By the way, kasama natin si Banquet Friends. So ito yung ginagawang tulay papuntang San Miguel, Bulacan. Hanggang dito na lang yung vlog ko. Don't forget to follow and of course subscribe my YouTube channel, Musaka TV. Comment and share. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye.